Dear learners, welcome to the course on Inclusive Education. In this session, we are going to learn about the concept and meaning of inclusive education. Objectives of this course is to understand about the educational need of diverse learners and to comprehend the concept and meaning of inclusive education. Let's try to understand who are diverse learners and what are their unique educational needs. A diverse learner is one who fits into any one of the two criteria listed below. Number one, a learner who is racially, ethnically, culturally, economically and or linguistically diverse. Number two, a learner who learns differently from the majority. So, in this presentation, we are going to discuss about the criteria number 2 learner who learns differently from the majority. Who are the learners who learn differently from the majority? They are children with special needs. That is, number 1, sensory disability, students with visual impairment, hearing impairment and deaf blindness. Number 2, neurodevelopmental disability, that is students with intellectual disability, learning disability, autism spectrum disorder and any other type of disability that comes under neurodevelopmental thing. Number 3, physical disability. And number 4, multiple disability. That is a student who has more than one disability. That is visual impairment associated with learning disability or hearing impairment associated with autism spectrum disorder or any such type of disability associated together. And in an inclusive classroom, these children with special needs will have special issues related to learning. One student might have medical issue, the other will have behavior issue, and the next one will have developmental related issues, and the other child may have either learning related issue or issues associated with mental health problems. So, an inclusive classroom teacher has to cater to the individual specific needs of all these children in her or his classroom. So, the reality in the inclusive classroom is all children are unique and the teachers in the inclusive classroom are now expected to meet the needs of diverse learners within their classroom. A teacher in the inclusive classroom cannot continue to teach in the same way as in the past and expect to meet the diverse needs of learners in the classroom. Concept, meaning of inclusive education. So whenever you think about inclusive education or inclusive classroom, this type of visual representation may come across your mind. That is a classroom with a teacher handling children with disabilities and also the other children who comes under the umbrella term of diverse needs. So this is inclusion. So what is inclusion? Now you will have better understanding about inclusion. That is, inclusion is all about mainstreaming education by removing the barriers. Barriers in the sense that comes across the learning of children with special needs because of their individual specific limitations. Children with disabilities are provided with quality education in regular school with their age and grade peers with support services provided within the school system. That is, support services addressing to the individual specific needs of children with disabilities. So, inclusion is removing barriers to facilitate quality education on par with age and grade peers of children with disability. So, an inclusive education setup will have accessibility for students with disabilities in prayer, in classroom, transportation, playground, canteen or whatever the facility that is being provided in the school. So finally, Inclusive education means providing accessibility to children with special needs in a regular education environment.